Temu is an AliExpress alternative that's been popping up everywhere. You've probably seen it all over TikTok and Instagram through their heavy promoting and big affiliate marketing. And Temu's kind of claim to fame is that they're cheaper than AliExpress and they're actually faster in shipping times. And that had me thinking, can you use Temu to dropship? Well, let's find out. First, let me pull up Temu here to give you just an example of how cheap it is compared to AliExpress. So a quick overview of Temu here. It looks kind of like AliExpress, kind of mixed with Amazon a little bit here. It's a little bit cleaner and more legit looking than AliExpress in my opinion. But I found this, classic BlendJet type of blender portable thing. And it's only $8.41 on Temu. And if you look at the shipping and returns, it's free shipping on all orders. The delivery date is September 3rd through the 9th. So that's anywhere from about 5 to 10 to 12 days from now, which is actually a lot faster than AliExpress's kind of free shipping, which is usually like 3 to 4 weeks. And they're also saying here that 80% of orders are under 10 days shipping time. So now if we go into AliExpress and look at the exact same product, it's $14.17. They do have free shipping, but their estimated delivery date is September 18th. So that's at minimum 9 days longer than Temu is actually promising. So the price difference between the two products plus faster shipping time is $5.71. So that's a pretty big price difference. You can actually make a lot more money if you were able to dropship on Temu. So let's break it down, cover it all to see if this is actually feasible. My first initial thought that I had if you were dropshipping from Temu is that they actually have their own Temu packaging. It's like on these poly mailers that they just have their brand label on top, kind of like Amazon. So the first thought that I had was if the customer then receives the packaging that has Temu written all over it, they know exactly where it came from, they know it's not your brand, they can actually just go there and look it up to see the price of this product. And then when they see it for $8.70 or whatever the cost was, and they realize that they paid $35 on your website, this might lead to chargebacks or customers asking for refunds, which would not be an ideal situation, especially with dropshipping. So that's problem number one that I found dropshipping on Temu. We're actually going to come back to this with a solution, so stay tuned. But then I went to the Temu website and I was wondering if you can even dropship on Temu, like if it's allowed or if they have any policies against it. And this is what I found on the customer service side. So does Temu support dropshipping? No, we do not support dropshipping on our platform. We connect customers with millions of sellers, manufacturers, and brands around the world to sell exclusively on our website or the Temu app. We recommend purchasing directly through our platform so that we were able to help you with any after-sale services, blah, 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 right? We hope you enjoy shopping on Temu. So that doesn't really say anything. I'm not really sure if that actually means that you can't dropship from Temu or you can't list on Temu as a drop shipper. So they're not super clear here. Is this helpful for you? Of course, that was not helpful. Thanks for your feedback. So reading the FAQs and the policy kind of leaves it in a little bit of a gray area. There's not really something that directly says, no, you can't sell on Shopify and then fulfill it through Temu. But then I was actually looking on Reddit to see if other people were actually dropshipping from Temu using it as fulfillment. And a lot of people were saying that they eventually got contacted by customer service from Temu, stating that their orders were looking like dropshipping orders and this was not allowed. They're going to be canceled, banned, and refunded for all those orders, which would be a huge problem if they didn't ship out the orders yet and you collected a bunch of cash from your customers. So in my opinion, it looks like Temu is not trying to become AliExpress and they do not support dropshippers. But does this make it impossible to actually use Temu to dropship? So I actually thought of one viable way to bypass this Temu customer support for dropshipping, and it'll actually solve our packaging issue as well. All right, guys, before we get into the solution, there's two quick things I want to mention. The first thing is if you're brand new to Shopify, you want to start a Shopify store, dropshipping, e-commerce brand, whatever, and you want to get it for $1 a month for the first 3 months, I partnered up with Shopify to get you this special discount code. So instead of spending over $100 on your Shopify plan for 3 months, you're only spending $3. If you want to take advantage of this, which I recommend you do, I'll have a code down below in the description. And the second thing I want to mention really quickly is if you're interested in learning from me and my team at Ecom Remastered, where we specialize in helping you build out a brand new website, scaling your current store, pretty much everything you can think of ecom related. If this sounds like something that you want to join, I'll have an application link down below in the description as well. All right, that's it. Let's get back to the video and figure out the solution. All right, so here's what I would do to be dropshipping on Temu. I would want to first test a product that you think will do well, otherwise known as finding a winning product, and then fulfill the first 25 to maybe 100 orders through AliExpress, just so that you can fulfill the first orders and prove that the product is actually scalable and people are buying it and there's a high demand. After you've found your winning product and after you've proved that you can actually sell this product, you're going to take on a little bit of risk. You can then either estimate how many orders you're projected to get over the next month, essentially how much product that you're going to need to fulfill all of the orders, and then you're going to place a bulk order from Temu shipping all of the product to your house. This is the first option, and when you get this bulk order to your house, you're actually going to open up all of the Temu packaging, or at least the poly mailers on the outside, and you're going to have them sitting in your living room or garage waiting to be repacked and shipped out to the customers. You will have to buy your own poly mailers, so you have to take that cost into consideration. You also are then going to need like a thermal printer to print out all the labels to ship out to your customer, and you're going to have to pay for the individual shipping on each of those orders. Individual shipping, if it's a lightweight item in the United States, you can do USPS for like 1 to 3 day shipping, anywhere from $3 to $5 $5, and polymailers are pretty cheap, so I still think that you can make a little bit better margin doing this than shipping directly through AliExpress still. And you would actually be able to provide faster shipping than Temu would to your customers, because if you're shipping just in the United States, you can get 1 to 3 day shipping. That's gonna beat that 6 to 12 day shipping time as well. So that's a win-win, but it's technically not drop shipping because you're actually gonna have to warehouse the product yourself and you're gonna have to ship it out. But there is the second option. The second option is to actually order this exact same bulk order ahead of time to support your demand and hopefully the growth that you're having with your product. But instead of shipping it out to your house, you're gonna send this order over to a 3PL. And a 3PL is a third-party logistics company, like ShipBob is a good example to use. I'll look it up here. Basically what they do is warehouse all of your product for you. They'll ship it out, they'll repackage it, kind of do whatever you have to do to brand out your product and fulfill these orders for you. It's basically the same method of dropshipping on AliExpress, but they're warehousing it in the United States, so you get a lot better customer service and faster shipping times. Adding this ShipBob element into it or another 3PL is gonna have an additional cost as well, but it's actually gonna help brand your business overall because you could do custom packaging, you're gonna have great shipping times and great returns, customer service. So it could be worth it in the beginning if you have a really high demand of this product and the product is very cheap. Going back to the example of the blender, you've got about $5.71 between the AliExpress price and the Temu price. I think it's definitely worth it to go out to a third-party logistics company if the shipping cost and the third-party logistics company cost can actually be under that $5.70 or even break even. It's a win-win because you'd either have higher margins or you'd have just better customer service and custom packaging as well. So that's my analysis on dropshipping on Temu. It's not exactly possible to do it directly from their website, but it seems like there are a couple of different things that you can do to work around this. And again, if the product is that much cheaper on Temu, you can really make it worth it and it would make a lot of sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments on what video you want to see next. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.